Up till today, the Chinese people still prefer to eat with chopstick instead of spoon, despite being one of the most advanced countries in the world.
If you visit China, or you are a fan of their movies, you will notice that most of them still eat with chopsticks. But why is that? The reason is that in China, and of course in other Asian countries, the use of chopsticks is a deep tradition that dates back to thousands of years. It has been used in China since the 11th century, and ever since then it has become part of Chinese culture and are often seen as a symbol of Chinese heritage. It is well suited for eating many traditional Chinese foods, and the most interesting thing is that using chopsticks correctly in China is considered a sign of respect and politeness in Chinese dining ethic. Although spoons are also used in China, particularly for soup, but chopsticks remains the primary utensil for most meals. This culture has been passed down to them from generations, and I don't think it will die down anytime soon.